Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. I'm not feeling very well at all today. Very good today. I can't even form sentences, but we're gonna get into Ipsy Plus. This isn't going to be an overly long video, or I'm not going to get super excited about anything just because I don't feel good. I have fluid behind both of my ears. I've got vertigo, but I just took my meds to help with the vertigo. So things are only spinning a little bit right now, opposed to full on I need to lay down. So I'm going to try to get through this box. I don't know what other updates I could possibly give you guys. I've been sick for about a month now. I had a couple of days of respite in there, to where I felt like maybe I was gonna get better, but that didn't happen. So let's get into Ipsy Plus. I am going to try to get this edited today and put up today, but this is the first time you've probably seen anything like super live from me. I mean, or as close to being as live as possible since the last time I actually went live. So I open it up and this is what I see. I get a card, and I do have the prices this time, so that's cool because I just really don't have any energy to do much of anything. So the first thing I am pulling out are these Starskin VIP instantly recovering luxury cream coating face masks. And then the biocellulose face mask. And of course, with being dizzy, I can't really read. So let's see if I can. Holy cow, that's such small print. I know I usually bitch about not having the card, so I'm not gonna bitch about having the card. I'm not gonna bitch about having the card. I'm not gonna bitch about having the card. I think this says $30. It's really hard to focus. The next thing I am pulling out is a Tartist Tarte. It's an eyeliner by Tarte, and it is in black, and it retails what looks like $24. I probably shouldn't have decided that I wanted to do this. Okay, so the next thing I am pulling out is Galactic, and it's a Jello Gloss Balm. It retails for $18. And it's just a lip balm. I'm not gonna pull it out. It is what it is. The next thing I am pulling out is a Dutch dirt mask. I think that says $49. I can't see it. $49, I think. Okay, that's a lot for a face mask. Oh, I forgot bags. I forgot what. Oh, this is such a cute bag. So, I love the mint green on that. That's really cute. Whew, this is the most pleasure I've had in a month. Okay, so the last thing I am pulling out is a palette. And it is from Shayna B. Miami Eyeshadow Palette. And it retails for, I think that says $20. Let's take a peek. Not my shades. So you know me and what I do with things that aren't really my shade. But there are those. That's pretty. I think that looks like it's, I don't know. My vision is really blurry, but I think it's translating green on the screen. but it's actually just like a bronze, it looks like. I mean, it's a pretty palette. They're just not my shades. I don't do neutrals, not really. Okay, I mean, if I do a neutral, then I literally do no makeup. That's basically my neutral, I think. I mean, occasionally I'll do like a brown gold, but neutral generally isn't my thing when I do my makeup. So that was Ipsy Plus for the month of April, you guys. Drogon is missing. I just didn't have the energy to pick him up. That's it. That was Ipsy Plus. Give you a chance to actually see how miserable I am. I don't know. That's all I got. Hope you guys have a great day. Better day than I'm having. I hope you're having a much better day than I'm having. Bye.